Welcome to Dance Fitsugar. I am Janelle Ginestra, the creator of Naughty Girl Fitness. This is Evan.
Let's rock.
This is Kira.
What's up?
And we are ready to rock. This is a 5-minute rock out badass workout. So can I get a yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, you need to get in the zone. You need to feel those crashes. Maybe let your hair down. You just need to become free. 5, 6, 7, 8, you go, boom. Slap your thighs, feel it. Swing your head around, drop it down. Hit, ha. You have a few more. 2, 1, then you come up, boom. Feel yourself, Step, squat, touch. So what we're doing is here, we're just pulsing in a squat. You step together, then say out, drop it down. And we like to manifest things. We like to push things out, yes? Get that out of my life so I can bring in some new goodness. Please, negativity, get it out. Beautiful. This is your chorus. You're gonna go kick, lift, kick, lift. When you kick, you need to squeeze that thing. Yes, ha. And lift and jump all the way. Now you double kick. You go boom, boom. Boom, boom. So no jump into between. Just double kick, stay. Double kick, stay. Yes, you guys. 2, 1, back to the squats. Boom. Push it, drop it, push. Yes, drop. Push it out of your way. See things. See things moving through your life. Come on. You're strong. Ooh. Yes, last one to the right. Stay here. Fast legs, fast feet, come on. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. And stop. Woo, chorus kick, kick, and you lift, come on. You kick, then you lift, get up, kick, lift, kick. Now we double kick, no jump. Boom, boom, a boom, boom, a boom, boom. Yes, you guys, This is your last 2 and 1 here. 2, 1, now you do a tantrum. You go, no! Stop, no, no. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. If you commit, you're gonna feel that release. So I need you to commit, let's move on. Sticking with the strong, badass rocker theme, stay in it. Come on, single leg lunges. You go, 1, 2, 3, up, 4, tap in, 6, 7, 8, you go down again. What we're gonna do is we're gonna speed up this motion and you're gonna see variations. Pick your poison. You go, boom, cha, cha. That's 1, 2, we have 6. Come on, 3. Come on, feel it, all the way down, squeeze that glute, tap it in, hit. This is your last one. Now we're gonna go back down to this leg and we're gonna pulse it out. You're gonna go. Super cute. Then you touch that strong thigh. You go, come on. Ooh, then you touch your belly and your strong minds. You love it. You bounce off, boom. You say, holy hell. A 5, 6, you go high knees. Right leg goes, boom. Get it up, come on. Fight for yourself. Woo! Come on, baby. 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 1, boom. Here we go, left side. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heck yes. Speed it up and pick your poison. You go down, up, 1. You go down, up, 2. You go, boom, hit, lift. Yes, good job, you guys. Come on. 2. You go 1. Now you pulse in that hip. Give it to me, boom. Hey, how are you doing at home? I can feel your energy. You give me thigh. Oh, you touch it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Heck yes. Look at that. Almost 5 minutes done. We have a cool down. I'm proud of you. And you guys too. tap your heart. You're gonna go tap, 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 tap. Cover it, cover it. I love myself, I love my heart, I take care of it. I protect it. Then I rub my body. I fall and I shake it up because I'm crazy and I don't mind it. Throw, stretch. Be so proud of yourself and all the great things that you did today. Yes, take this over slowly. Be gentle with your mind and body. And roll up. Boom. Maybe give a little shake. Shake a, dig a, dig a, dig a, dig a, dig a, throw. Other way. Make sure you're breathing, staying connected. You just were such a rock star and badass. Allow yourself to come back down off of that high. Now come up. We're gonna end with our heart taps. Here you go. Protect. T. Love myself. Stay here. Open up your arms. Maybe bring your feet together. Thank you so much for joining us for this new season of Dance Fitsugar. I'm Janelle, the creator of Naughty Girl Fitness, and it's very, very important to me that we always end a workout just with being in love with ourselves, being in love with the moment, and being grateful for the experience. So thank you for experiencing this with us, and we hope to see you soon.